Hi, my name is Sean from Arani. Today I will be introducing you to our new version of LED panels, the V5. At first glance, it might look like any other LED panel to you, but I want to show you the innovation that we've done at Arani because we believe you deserve great service and we're always thinking about how we can make installation processes easier for you. With our V5 panels, the LED driver comes separate from the fixture. This has several advantages. For example, at the time of installation, we can have a master electrician that passes by on the job and does the electrical connection, and then an apprentice can go by and make the connection for the fixture, which makes the cost of installation lower. Also, the product prevents job site thefts. For those job sites that are a little bit busier, there's many people going by, we can first ship the driver, have them installed, and then ship the panels separately to the site. Furthermore, if there is ever any replacements that are needed or any maintenance that is required, we can just simply replace the driver and keep the fixture in place. Also, we've all seen sometimes electricians on top of a ladder near the ceiling trying to manipulate a large fixture around and balancing on the ladder, and that's a dangerous thing and we want to keep you safe. So it's always easier to just do the electrical connection first on a small box, and then very simply we'll lift the fixture. The way the driver mounts is also very easy. We have one side that has a lip, another side that has a little hole. So on the bracket that there is on the fixture, we first slide the lip in place. We open the bracket, we put the driver in its location, and then close the bracket. And just like that, the driver is firmly secured. Then we can use the two quick connect wires and make the connection. If there is ever an extension required, we do sell an optional accessory which is up to 4 feet and can be multi-connected to each other for longer extensions, and we can put the driver somewhere remote and install the fixture in its place. I'm going to show you some of the features of the product and also show you more about the driver box. Once we open with one of your Arani screwdrivers, which I hope you have, and if you don't, contact your sales rep, we can give you one. Once we open the driver, the first thing you will notice is the amount of space we have on this box for connection, compared to some of the other products that are on the market where the driver box is very thin and there's not enough space to work. Inside, we do have 3 quick connects, which is a very controversial subject. Many people love it, many people absolutely hate them. But we give you the option and you can choose to use this. As features, we can see the product is color selectable. So with a button, we can choose between 3500, 4000 and 5000K. It is also power selectable. So with a button, we can also choose the power. For example, in the case of the 2x2 and also the 1x4, we can set it to be 25 watt, 30 watt or 35 watt. We also have 0 to 10 volt dimming available, so if there is a dimming system or a control system in the building, we can use 0 to 10 volt dimmers for its control. The product is type IC and uses an FT4 cable, so it can come in direct contact with insulation for those places that requires it. And it is DLC premium approved, which means in many locations where there is rebates available for DLC approved products, it applies. I know specifically in the province of Quebec, for example, DLC premium gets more of a rebate than a regular DLC. There are several other accessories that we sell for the product too. We sell a suspension cable, which could either be for decorative reasons or to be used on these anti-seismic hooks that are already existing on the market. We also sell a surface mount kit for them, for mounting them directly on drywall ceilings. And we have a recessed kit for recessing them in drywall ceilings too. The applications for the product could be anywhere where we have tiled ceilings, those drop ceilings. It could also be on drywall ceilings using some of the accessories. It could be offices, warehouses, schools, meeting rooms, anything like that, or sometimes even suspended in retail locations too. And the product is a 120 and 347 volt fixture all in one, so we don't need to worry about what the voltage of the job site is. If you do need any more information, please do contact us. You can reach out to us by emailing service@arani.ca or by calling 888-99-ARANI. You can also find more photos, more videos, and the installation instructions of the product at arani.ca.